and today we will start with a new chapter, that is Unit 6, The Ugly Duckling Part 1. So, everybody open your textbooks, page number 46. We will start off with the lesson, children. And this lesson is all about the ducklings and the duck. Before we start the lesson, let us know the new words and its meaning, children. Crack. Crack means what? Damaged with one or more thin line on its surface. Hatch. Emerged from an egg. Turkey. A white, two cream colored egg with brown speckles. Exclaimed, cried out, suddenly in surprise. Brood. A group having common nature or origin. Eel. A long and thin fish that looks like sea snakes. It was a beautiful place. By the side of an old farmhouse flowed a river. Near the water there grew a tall tree. Under the tree sat a mother duck. She had sat on her eggs to keep them warm. Now each egg cracked open and the duckling came out one by one. As each one came out, it said, "Pee, pee." The mother duck quacked happily. Soon only one large egg was left. The ducklings looked with wonder at all the things around them. The grass, the wildflowers, the tall tree and the river flowing by. "How large the world is," said the ducklings. So in this paragraph, children, so there was a beautiful farmhouse. What do you mean by farmhouse, children? Farmhouse means where the domestic animals are reared. So there was a farmhouse and the duck, what did the duck do? The duck sat on the eggs. So the eggs were about to hatch. Understood, children? The eggs were about to hatch and the surrounding looked like that there was a river which flowed near the farmhouse and there was a tall tree. Okay, and the mother duck sat on the eggs and it was waiting for the eggs to hatch. And we'll see a video, children, how the eggs crack and how the little ducklings come out of that egg. Did you see the video, children? How the ducklings came out of that cracked egg? So what do you mean by cracked, children? Crack means damaged with one or more thin line on its surface. That means cracking means, see here, as you can see here, it is cracked. Okay, and it has come out of that egg. Here, cracking means a thin line which is cracked here. So with a thin line, it makes an opening and then the duckling came out of that egg. Understood, children? When they come out of the egg, they see the nature. They see the grass around them. They see the grass around them and the wild flowers and the tall trees and the river flowing by. And they think that how large the world. Let us see what happens in the next paragraph. Do you think this is the whole world? Said their mother. Even I have not seen the world, the whole world. There is so much for you to see at that farmhouse and in the fields. Oh my, there is still one more egg. I wonder when this egg will crack open, and it is the largest egg, said the mother duck. I am tired of waiting. So the mother duck says, listening to the ducklings, that this is not the whole world. Even I have not seen the whole world. And she says to the ducklings that there is so much to see in this farmhouse. And she remembers that there is one more egg which was there and which did not hatch. As I have told you, hatch means just a crack, just a line, just a thin line of crack that opens, and the duckling will come out of that. Okay, so that did not hatch, and she was just waiting for that to hatch. And let us see what happens next. An old duck came to visit the mother and her babies. How are you and your ducklings? She said. An old duck came to visit this duck, and she asked this duck, how are their ducklings? I'm fine, and look at my babies. Aren't they the prettiest ducklings? She said. Said the mother duck. I'm still waiting for this big egg to hatch. So what does the duck say is that she says to the old duck that she is fine, and she says that her ducklings are looking very pretty, and she says that there is one more egg which needs to be hatched. Hatch means what, children, here? Hatch means emerge from an egg. Emerge from an egg. As you can see, all these ducklings just emerged from the egg. They broke the egg and eggshells, and they have come out of it. Okay, children? Let us see what happens in the next paragraph. It is indeed a very large egg, said the old duck. I think it is a turkey's egg. So, what does the old duck say is that she sees the egg and she says that it's a very large egg, and she says that it must be a turkey egg. Turkey egg means, children, a white to cream colored egg with brown speckles. So I will show you the turkey egg also to you, children. So turkey egg looks like it's a brown color, and there's a white speckle. Speckles means dots. See, children, this is the turkey egg. As I have told you, turkey egg, a white to cream colored egg with brown speckles. See, brown spots are there here. Small spots are there. This is the turkey egg, children. Okay, this is the turkey egg. Once I also sat on some turkey eggs, and when they hatched, they would not go near the water. Then I knew they were baby turkeys and not my ducklings. Just leave it and start teaching your babies how to swim. So the old duck, what she says that she had sat on the eggs, but what happened that she later realized that it was a turkey egg, and they were turkeys. They were turkeys and not the ducklings. And she says, just stop thinking about that, and now the ducklings are there. Just teach them how to swim. I think I will sit on it a little while longer, said the duck. As I have sat so long already, a few days more will not matter. So what does the duck say is that as she has sat so long, some more time doesn't matter, and she decides to sit on that on that egg. Please yourself, said the old duck, and she went off. So the old duck says, you can sit, and she just walked away from that duck. At last the large egg broke and a young one came out crying, pee pee. It was a very large and ugly duckling. So as the mother duck sat on that egg, the time came for it to hatch, and once it hatched, it came out as an ugly duckling. And so ugly means what, children? Ugly means not looking so beautiful. So the duckling which came out later was an ugly duckling. It was not beautiful as the other ducklings looked like. It was looking something different. It had a different color and it was looking something different. So let us see what happens next. The mother duck stared at it and exclaimed, it is a very large and not at all like the others. I wonder if it really is a turkey. We shall soon find it out. When it goes to the water, if it is a turkey, it will not be able to swim. It must go in, and even if I have to push it, if I have to push it in myself. So the duck was very surprised, exclaimed. What is the meaning of exclaimed? Exclaimed, children? Exclaimed means cried out suddenly in surprise. So the mother duck was very much surprised to see this duck looked very ugly. So this duck was not like the other ducklings which were looking very pretty and beautiful. So here the ducklings they are looking very pretty and beautiful here. So this one which later hatched was not at all beautiful, and she was surprised and she wondered that it must be a turkey, and she thought that the old duckling had told that the turkey will not go near the water, and she remembered that, and she thought that this duckling also may not go near the water, and she thought to herself that let's wait and see, and if it doesn't go also, I will help it to swim in the water, she thought, and she thought to herself. Then let us see what happens in the next paragraph. The next day the sun shone brightly. The mother duck took her brood of ducklings down to the water. She jumped in with a splash, and one after the other the ducklings jumped in after her. They went down into the water and then came up and swam around prettily. The ugly duckling jumped in with others and swam with them. Just look at my baby swim, she said the mother duckling. He is my child and he uses his legs beautifully. He is not so ugly. He is not turkey. Come, my babies, I shall take you into the farmyard. You will meet all the farm animals, but stay close to me and stay close to me, or one of them might step on you. Above all, be careful of the cat. So next morning, what happened, children? The mother duckling took the baby's brood. What is the meaning of brood here? Brood means a group having common nature or origin. Okay, for example, you might be having siblings here. Siblings means you must be having brothers, sisters. So you must be fair, and the other brother, the younger brother, might be little dark. So you belong to only one family. There. So here also, brood means belonging to one family. Understood, children? Belonging to one family. So the next morning, the sun was shining brightly, and what happened? The duck took her family, that is family to the near the water, and she jumped herself in the water, and as she jumped into the water, all the ducklings followed her and jumped into the water and began swimming, and they were swimming around very prettily. And what happened, even this duckling, the ugly duckling, also jumped into the water, and soon she realized that, and she just loved this ugly duckling, and ugly duckling swim around, and she was very much keenly observing, and she thought to herself that this child is very beautiful and it is not that ugly, and she says that she just praises this ugly duckling that it moves its legs very beautifully while swimming, and it's not that ugly, and she calls all the ducklings near her, and she says to them that I will just take you to the farmyard. Farmyard means she just take the ducklings to the farmyard. Farmyard means she just trying to show the whole farm, and she says that there are other animals which are there in farmhouse, and she thinks to introduce them to her little ducklings, and at the same time she asks the other ducklings to keep near her. Near her means to stay near her so that they can be protected, and she says to be careful with the cats. Let us see what happens in the next paragraph. When they reached the farmyard, there was a great disturbance. Two families of farm birds were fighting over the head of an eel. Suddenly, a large cat appeared and carried off the eel. "See," said the mother duck as the ducklings hid behind her. "This is what happens in the big bad world. Animals fight for things to eat." So, what happened, children? As she was taking the ducklings around the farmyard, so she found that two families were fighting over the head of the eel. What do you mean by eel, children? Here, eel is a long and thin fish that looks like sea snakes. So, it's a fish which looks like a sea snakes. Let us see the image of that eel, how it looks like. This is what the eel looks like. It's a fish, but it looks like a sea snake. Let us see one more here. One more here, children. So, this is also a eel. So, now the duckling just took the baby ducklings to show her farmhouse, and what happened? Two families were fighting over the eel. As I had told you, eel is a fish which looks like a sea snake. And what happened? They were fighting together, and what happened? A cat jumped in between, and it took the eel and it went away. So the mother duck, what she says, this is what happens in a bad world, and everybody fights with each other and to get the things. So before I end this session, there is a homework for you, children. I want you to write these questions in your homework book. So these questions are: what was under the tree? What was under the tree? The second one is: why did the ducklings think the world was a very large place? Why did the ducklings think the world was a very large place? I want you to answer these two questions in your homework book, and I want you to go through the lesson once again, think and answer the questions. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.